In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable activity status on Facebook. So I'm starting here on Facebook, and the first thing I'm doing is heading up to the top right corner and clicking on my profile picture. That opens up the account menu, and once that drops down, I'm looking for settings and privacy. I'm clicking that, and then from there, I'm choosing settings so I can get into the main settings area for the account. Now that I'm inside settings, I'm looking over to the left menu and finding privacy. That's the section I need for this, so I'm going ahead and clicking on it. If your settings page looks a little different, that's okay. Just stay in this same area and follow along. Once privacy opens, I'm looking for active status. On some screens you may see it right away, and on others you might need to search for it in settings. So I'm just doing whichever one shows up on the screen and going straight into that option. At this point I'm in the active status setting, and this is the part that controls whether Facebook shows other people that I'm active. So now I'm finding the switch for show when you're active. If that setting is turned on, I'm clicking the toggle to turn it off. That's the main change right there. Once I switch it off, Facebook knows I no longer want that activity status showing the same way. Now after that, Facebook may give me a save button, or it may ask me to confirm the change. So I'm just following what appears on screen and clicking save or confirming it if prompted. I'm not changing anything else here, just making sure that one setting is fully applied before I leave the page. Once that goes through, the activity status is turned off. So the whole flow is actually pretty simple once you know where the setting is. I open Facebook, click my profile picture in the top right, open settings and privacy, click settings, go to privacy from the left menu, find active status or search for it in settings, turn show when you're active to off, and then click save or confirm if Facebook asks for it. That's it. If your layout looks a little different, that's normal, but the path is usually very close. The important part is getting into settings first, then going to privacy and opening active status from there. After that, it's really just one quick toggle and a save or confirmation. Just move through it one click at a time, and once that setting is off, your activity status is disabled and you're all set.